So Ashley, it's good to see that you want to learn to fight. First, we need to get your endurance up. We're going to the beach, do a few laps.
Shoot 'em down, turn around, come on, moan it. Hey, you give me love and I feel alright now. You gotta toss and turn and feel alright, and feel alright. I say yeah, 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 yeah. 'Cause you make me feel so good, so good, so good, so fine, so fine. It's alright when I feel alright.
And after that,
Yeah.
we're going to make you jump. Building to building.
Well, you keep shaking, moaning, moaning. Shotgun dead and I'll come on moaning. Don't stop cooking as I feel alright now. Hey, but don't stop now. Come on moaning, come on, yeah. I say yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 'cause you make me feel so good, so good. When I feel alright, you're so fine, you're so fine, you're so fine. And I feel alright, I say yeah, 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 yeah.
Then last, self-defense.